Oh, it's the wrong way, Benjamin.
Why isn't it working?
You gotta turn it around.
Oh, shoots.
Yeah. Hey, there you go. Wait, look.
Wow, look at that. It's a dino.
It's a Triceratops dino with his mouth open. Perfect for playing the flute.
Playing the flute. It's kind of working.
Come on.
Come on, little buddy.
Perfect. This guy's awesome. And then check this out. Watch this.
What you gotta do it?
Oh, wait. Maybe on his nose. Check this out. Hey, horsey, check this out. Yeah.
Whoa! It's a flying. How about that?
This guy's so cool. Hey, thanks a lot, Banjo Benny. I love a Triceratops.
You are so welcome.
Hi, horse.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm good. I was just eating some leaves.
Oh, how did those taste?
Yeah, they were good. They were good. It's kind of fall time, Christmas time, so the leaves are falling off. So it's a lot easier for me to get because I can eat them off the ground.
Wow, that's really neat.
Yeah, and you know what?
What?
Sometimes I'm eating them off the ground and I get a little buggy inside. And I love a little buggy inside the leafy leaf.
Oh, extra protein.
It's like a burrito.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I don't know any different. I just eat hay.
Yeah, oh, hay's good too.
Hey.
Hay's good too. But I love a good Dino Burrito, which is a leaf with the buggy inside.
Oh my goodness, this sounds too good. I actually might want to try that someday.
You might like that. Would you guys like a Dino Burrito?
I do like dinosaurs, and I do like leaves, and I like burritos, and I like catfish, and
Buggies.
swamp, and bayou.
You taught me about the buggies. You taught me that a grub, you call it.
I love the grub.
Yeah.
You know, when I was born with these pearly white teeth like this.
Yeah.
Well, half the time, my mouth is open wide like this. So guess what? I swallow lots of bugs.
Yeah.
I can't help it.
Well, that's okay. That's good protein.
They just fly right in.
You know, some countries, they eat bugs.